everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I'm Charnika Basha. I hope you have watched my previous video and today I'm going to do a MCaffeine haul. So this video will be having two parts. Today I'm going to do the first part in which I will be showing you the products I bought from MCaffeine's official website. And on the second part I will be showing you the products I bought from Nykaa. So yes, let's get started. First, I would like to say that I have used these products for over a week now, and I think I will not be able to give you the actual reviews on these products because I have to use these products more. But after using 2 or 3 times, I have felt some differences. And the common thing which I love among all these products is the smell, the aroma of coffee. And I think people who loves coffee flavors would definitely love these products. So I would like to start with the best product till now, which is MCaffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. Its quantity is 100 ml and it is for all skin types. It says it contains coffee with vitamin E, and here it says that it is for body polishing and it also reduces stretch marks. The MRP is 445 and the shelf life is 2 years. So talking about this product is amazing, and after the first use I have felt my skin became softer, then there came a glowing effect. So for winters, this body polishing oil is very effective. So the second product is this Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, which is for normal to oily skin. Its net quantity is 100 grams and it contains coffee with coconut. So after the first use, I haven't felt any such differences, but I think I will be getting much more results after using this for a lot more times. And its price is 449 and its shelf life is 2 years. The third one is this Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash, which has coffee with white water lily. It is for normal to oily skin and the net quantity is 100 ml. Its price is 349 and its shelf life is 24 months. Whenever I use this, my face gets refreshed, and yes, this is a good product. Next is this Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub, which has coffee with vitamin E. It is for normal to oily skin and the net quantity is 100 gram. And its price is also 349 and the shelf life is also 24 months. This face scrub is very good. I think the face scrub is better than this face wash because it gives a glowing effect on my face, and also the aroma of this face scrub is better than this face wash. Next is this Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Bathing Bar. It has coffee with caramel. It says it is skin friendly and its net quantity is 100 grams. Its price is $2.99 and its shelf life is 2 years. I bought 2 bathing bars, both are same, one for my mom and one for myself. So I haven't started using this, but my mom uses this every day and she actually likes the shape of this bathing bar, and also she likes the smell of this too. She said that it is good, it suits her skin. I will soon start using this and I will definitely make a detailed review video on this. Now I'm going to show you the free products I got. First is this Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. So this is the only product which I haven't started using actually, but I will soon start using this. Next is this Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter with cocoa, butter and caramel. It is for all skin types. I think for winters, body butters are way better than body lotions because they are more thick, and also they stays on our skin for longer time. And the last ones are these coffee body scrub, then coffee body polishing oil, and this face wash. These are the freebies, these little ones. So I think I need not tell you about this because I have already told you. That was it for the video, guys. I will be uploading the second part very soon. I hope you have liked this video. Then please like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to give a detailed review on each of these products, then please let me know in the comment section. And yes, stay well, stay safe.